What are you playing?
Dead Rising 2. Oh shit! Oh shit! Look you! Oh shit!
Waffle, you take this game way too seriously.
No! Fat lard. I gotta drink my beer already. I'm drinking it. No! I already lost? Oh, no, I didn't. Oh shit, fucking fat guy. Jesus, don't freaking steal the donuts, dude. They will come after you. I don't care. I don't care. Freaking stay back. Why are you getting scared? Oh, look at him. He's just sitting there for me to shoot his ass. No, dude, I'm getting him. There are no zombies in here.
Don't throw it. Jump it and start hitting up in there.
Oh, fuck! He's moving again! What, bitch? Oh, fuck! I'm kidding! Stop! Stop! Oh!
Hit him, hurry. Oh.
No!
Go get some light.
That's not true! No! Oh! Get it! No! Yes! Go run! No! Oh shit!
Drink it.
No, where is he? Ah!
No.
What are you doing? I got it!
You got one more. Oh, you
Fucking move, you fat lard guy.